Your HP printer was working, and suddenly it goes offline again. You restart it, reconnect Wi-Fi, try printing again, but nothing works. Most people think the printer is broken. But usually, your computer simply lost communication with it. First, restart everything: your printer, router, and computer. That simple reset fixes connection issues more often than you'd expect. Sometimes your system accidentally sets the printer to offline mode. And outdated drivers or stuck print jobs can silently block everything. Once fixed, your printer goes back to working normally, like nothing happened. If you have any problem, contact toll-free number +1 888 770 2231.